Oh, the big ones.
Other dogs are coming. They're gonna bark.
There's 4 of them there. There goes the blue jay. Normally there's a lot more.
Yeah, normally about 20 of them.
They came all the way up to the duck pen.
What is that, Morty?
Morty's talking to the turkeys.
Oh, they're spying him.
Oh, they...
Oh, here comes the guineas. The guineas. Look, the guinea's chasing him off.
the guinea. Tweedledee.
Tweedledee's like, this is my turf.
He's like a mini turkey, as it is. He's chasing the big turkeys off. Like, nah,
This is mine.
That's what guinea hens will do. Chases off other animals. Now Morty's talking.
Don't worry, the guinea's got it all under control. He chases everything up there.
Chases fox, coyotes,
I want more guineas.
turkeys.